blinded by the ones I...
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're most welcome to be part of the family. I'm uploading every single Sunday, and yeah, today I decided to make this look right here. Brown back on trend 2019, and I'm so happy about it. Plus, in 14 minutes, it's my birthday. 24 minutes. I'm so excited about my birthday. I love my birthday. I don't think that there are people who don't love their birthdays. Comment down below. I think you feel how I feel. Does it make sense? Okay, anyway, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So let's get started. I'm so red. So I decided to go for a tan for an hour, and that's what happened. Okay, let's deal with it. So I'm so happy that the trend of brown is coming back. I loved this color from childhood maybe. Every single time I was making my lips, when my mom was going to work, I was taking her lipsticks, they were all brown, and I was literally using it all over again, and I really loved the way it looked on me when I was back 10, 11. All this gold, we can say. So I'll be using the primer base Pore Filler by NYX, but I am applying it only on the areas where I know I'm filled with pores. And on the forehead. When you put it on your face, it's like a silk. It's like, oh my god. So let's see how it will work. I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. But the main thing about this foundation, you have to work with it so fast because it's just sticks to your face, and then you won't be able to do anything with it. Never forget about your neck, so it won't look like a mask. So next thing, I will use my palette that I took from my mother, and yeah, I love it. It's an amazing one. And the shade Tape by Tarte in a shade Light. I will apply first the concealer. Then using the darker shade, I'm going to apply it and kind of drag it up. The forehead. 2121, make a wish. The jawline. Drag it right here. It's a trick to hide your double chin. And then using the small brush, I'm going to contour my nose. And then blend it. If you are working with a creamy contouring, then we will have to set everything. Matchmaker bronzer in a shade, a light bronzer. So my battery just died, So I don't remember where I stopped, but I am taking the bronzer and will be fixing the contouring that we are having right here. Then I'm going to take my new setting powder. Can't stop, won't stop. Taking decent amount of powder, baking our face. So I will do my eyebrows off the camera and I will come back. So as now we are back, we can start with the eyes. Having the same brown shade as we were contouring the face, we are dragging it this side as well. Everything goes to this side. And the other eye. And when there is almost no product, we just dab it in. Kinda nice. And now we can just go with some brown shades and just add some smoky to it. Or you can leave it like this. So as I will be using the Too Faced chocolate bar, my favorite of all my favorites, and I'm going to grab semi-sweet and just add a little to my eyes. I will add it only on the outer corner and just will blend it. In circular motions I'm going to blend it. I will use salted caramel and will apply it on my lid. Let's remove what's left in here. And now I will add a little of the semi-sweet to my lower lashes. I will use some highlighter, my cheekbones, nose, and my upper lip. Changing with excite me, come on. Okay, I will be using the Makeup Forever. I just will open up the eye. I will apply the mascara off the camera and I will come back. A lipstick. So I will remove the balm that I have on my lips. As I said before, we are concentrating on the brown color as the trend for 2019. Of course, we will be using the brown lipstick as well. So I will be using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Venus. Yeah, so we will apply it and we're literally done. I love this color. This is just an amazing color. So here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Comment anything you like. Leave a big thumb up for this video so I can do some more videos like that. And hit the subscribe button to stay tuned and to not miss my upcoming videos. And see you in my next video on Sunday.